Are you ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of programming? Buckle up, because we're about to blast off with Python. Our comprehensive Python course for beginners is designed to equip you with the essential skills to kickstart your career as a professional programmer. We're talking about the real deal here, folks, not just some basic coding stuff. So, if you're ready to dive in and learn how to build awesome things with Python, stick around. You won't be disappointed. Alright, let's get this show on the road. In this chapter, we'll break down the basics of Python, what it is, why it's so popular, spoiler alert, it's super versatile and beginner-friendly, and how to set up your coding environment. We'll walk you through installing Python and a code editor so you can start writing your first lines of code. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll be coding like a pro in no time. Think of variables like containers for information in your Python programs. We'll explore different types of data you can store, from numbers and text to more complex structures. We'll also cover how to manipulate and work with these variables, because let's face it, data is only useful if you can actually do something with it. Get ready to unlock the power of data. Now things are getting interesting. Control flow is like the director of your program, dictating how it executes. We'll learn about conditional statements, think if and else, that allow your code to make decisions, and loops that repeat actions, super handy for automating tasks. Get ready to make your code smart and efficient. Time to organize your data like a pro. We'll dive into lists, which are like ordered collections of items. Think shopping lists for your code. Tuples are similar but immutable, meaning they can't be changed after they're created. We'll explore how to access, modify, and work with these structures because efficient data management is key to any successful program. Let's expand our data wrangling skills with dictionaries and sets. Dictionaries are like labeled containers, allowing you to store data with keys for easy retrieval. Sets are collections of unique elements, perfect for tasks like removing duplicates. Get ready to unlock new levels of data organization and efficiency. Functions are like reusable blocks of code. Think of them as mini programs within your program. We'll learn how to define functions, pass them arguments, and get values back. This is where things get really powerful, because functions allow you to break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, making your code cleaner and more efficient. Data doesn't just live in your code, it often needs to be read from or written to files. We'll cover how to open, read, write, and close files using Python, giving you the power to interact with external data sources. This is crucial for real-world applications, where data persistence is key. Time to put your newfound Python skills to the test. In this chapter, we'll guide you through building a real-world project from start to finish. This is your chance to apply everything you've learned and create something awesome. Get ready to unleash your creativity and build something you can be proud of. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our Python blast-off. You're now equipped with the knowledge and skills to start coding amazing things. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your passion for coding into a rewarding career. Enroll now and embark on your journey to becoming a professional Python programmer. The world of programming awaits. As we wrap up our Python series, it's time to focus on the next steps: assessment and certification. In this segment, we'll outline the methods used to assess your understanding and the criteria for earning your certificate in Python programming. Successfully completing assessments will not only solidify your knowledge, but also enhance your credentials professionally. Dive into the details of our assessment process, understand the requirements, and see how you can meet them to achieve certification. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to mastering Python and advancing your career. So check out our free lectures available as a resource to help you prepare. Thank you for joining us on this educational adventure.